Hello, my name is Danny. I'm from IWS FinTech, and today I'm going to explain to you what we do in IWS and a little bit more on blockchain technology. So IWS is essentially based in Singapore, and it's a FinTech innovation center. We do blockchain, we consult on blockchain technology, we develop FinTech products, and we also a little bit related to the FX markets. Firstly, we want to talk about blockchain technology. Blockchain technology is a distributed ledger, which is essentially a software which runs on the internet on various computers. Okay, so instead of having one computer running that program or a server running that program, blockchain, the software is run over across millions of computers. And that's why it's called a distributed ledger. Apparently, being distributed, it will make it more secure, because ultimately, if you would have your software run on a Google Cloud server, for example, Google could still be hacked, right? Whereas if you would run on various computers, millions of computers across various continents, it will be very hard for any attacker to hijack millions of computers. So therefore, blockchain technology is more secure. We also talk about cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is essentially the currency which runs on top of the blockchain. It is an incentive for those who secure the network. Those computers who run the network, the nodes, for example, the miners it's called, they will need to get incentivized for running and supporting the blockchain. Now, this incentivization is done via cryptocurrencies. For example, if you have the Bitcoin network, Bitcoin is the incentive. Yeah? So miners, those who secure the network, will earn Bitcoin as an incentive. That was the original idea of having Bitcoin. Then there are also smart contracts. Smart contracts are essentially on-chain contracts which are automatically executed. So when A happens and B happens, a smart contract will execute automatically. The beauty of that is that you don't need a middleman. So there is no bank or whatsoever who will settle transactions. Transactions are settled peer-to-peer directly, which also again makes it more secure, and it makes actually a lot of institutions redundant. If you would settle, for example, any Bitcoin transaction, you would be able to have a peer-to-peer direct settlement. Blockchain also enables a lot of innovation. For example, there is something called decentralized finance, which is essentially a decentralized version of traditional financial instruments, traditional financial transactions. For example, decentralized exchanges are considered within the decentralized finance space, which is a program which runs on a blockchain where you can transact peer-to-peer, so person to person. So you can exchange coins, for example, you can exchange a stablecoin, USDT, USDC, USDT to Bitcoin. This is happening peer-to-peer, direct settlement with no delay, and you would not need any middlemen to approve or confirm that transaction. Thank you very much for listening. Please follow us on Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, and check our website for updated blogs and news. See you next time.